Groups like the carpet exporters very clearly say migrant and transient workers constitute a big chunk of their weavers. So is the leather-based carpet weavers, all coming from that Badawi region, I suppose, in UP. So they felt paying workers who are migrant workers, rural workers who come and do it at a particular center and go away, are still not happening through bank accounts. Some wanted to extent of 3, some to the extent of 4, but some others to 5. Nobody exceeded 5 as much as I followed. So the credit limit for these export promotion agencies, particularly for those with a large constituent of migrant workers, disaggregated raw material suppliers, or weavers who were transient workers, belonging to different handicraft, handloom sectors, felt that they needed to have larger weekly cash withdrawal ceiling, not 50,000 but more inputs, and responding the following day with some kind of interventions. With this going to them, I hope they take it similarly and respond to it. And that's one thing. Quantification, no one has quantified. Even now, as they're talking about a weekly, 1 week disruption, because the one point which many of them underlined was when the government has responded saying 50,000 as a weekly withdrawal cap. Some of them were not very clear because their banks were not very clear whether it was week of Sunday to Sunday or week of the day notification came to something else, although the government has very clearly given them what it meant.